Imagine in our world, all the operating products and even human beings have a twin that does not require a physical space. Yes, I am talking about digital twins. Hello all, I am Manoj Kumar, ICT Research Manager at Industria. Let us start with the basics. What is a digital twin? Digital twin is a virtual and live digital representation of a physical product or a process. Representing a physical asset in a virtual model helps user to better understand the system, monitor its performance in real time, and even predict the problem before it occurs, thereby prevent downtime. All that is required for a physical product to have in addition is location-based systems, sensing technologies like sensors and gauges, coordinate measuring machines, lasers, and scanning devices. Nowadays, most of the physical products in IoT space is pre-built with the above mentioned devices. Having said that, billions of IoT devices will lead to billions of digital twins. In addition to the hardware devices, digital twin also requires simulation software like ANSYS, operating platform, and business intelligence tools to visualize. To summarize, the digital twin ecosystem consists of the physical product, which is having the sensors and other tracking devices, and it is connected through cloud to its simulation or digital twin, which is loaded with data intelligence. The services like performance analysis, product development, and maintenance can be customized as per the requirements, and it can be done in-house or even remotely. When it comes for a process, the key performance indicators for each activity is tracked remotely and measured against the benchmarks. There are many more services based on the industry like business optimization, customer service, product maintenance, and also telemedicine. Before discussing the market for digital twins, considering the audience who are interested to invest in digital twins in their enterprise, let us discuss about some of the applications and benefits of digital twins in Factory 4.0. Some of the major applications of digital twins in digital factories are product design and development, performance monitoring, which include asset performance management and field service management, predictive maintenance, inventory management, and business optimization. Digital twin can change the earlier process of first building the product and then improving by bringing in a virtual product development process where the product is first analyzed and then improved digitally, and after that it is brought into manufacturing. With the evolution of machine learning and artificial intelligence, digital twin will evolve and support automation where the equipment will be capable of doing self-diagnosis, and even it can do self-repair if there are any faults, and without any support of manual interruption, it can optimize its own operation. Using digital twins, the operations can be streamlined and the performance of various equipments can be improved. We can closely monitor whether there is any deviation from the process and attend to it immediately. We can detect or predict any quality issues and attend to it. Moreover, we can accurately determine when maintenance or change of parts is required. When it comes for the product development, we can improve the current product or design a new product using the data collected from the digital twins. This will reduce the cost of production and also reduce the time to market for a new product. We can record any errors that happens in the process or equipment and warn any similar incidents in future. In addition, the service can be improved at a low cost. We can understand the customer behavior and improve the products accordingly. The applications of digital twin does not stop with Factory 4.0. It is widely used in aerospace and defense. In fact, NASA is one of the pioneers in implementing this and testing it out. For retail industry, digital twins help in store planning, security implementation, energy management, and even for enhancing the customer experience by creating a virtual twin for the physical products. In automobile industry, the virtual model of a connected vehicle captures the behavioral and operational data of the vehicle. This data helps in analyzing the overall performance of the connected vehicle and also many other operational information so that it can be improved in future. This helps in providing customized or personalized services to its customers. In smart cities, digital twin helps enhancing the economical development, efficient management of resources, reduction of ecological footprints, and improve the overall quality of citizens' life. It helps city planners and policymakers to arrive at informed decisions regarding the future. Digital twin along with data from IoT play a key role in healthcare sector. It helps in preventive maintenance, patient monitoring and even providing personalized healthcare at a low cost. Now let's talk about the market for the digital twins. The market for digital twin is still in the initial stages as most industries other than manufacturing sector are still skeptical about investing in this particular market. Initially, the revenues from the products will be more than the software and the services. However, by 2020, the revenues from the services will be more than 50%. North America will lead globally with close to 30% of the market, followed closely by Europe. However, Asia Pacific will be the fastest growing market. European region is striving hard to digitalize its factories and hence in manufacturing sector, Europe will have the fastest growth for the next few years. European consortium that addresses virtual commissioning of smart factories is working with Algorithms to develop standards and tools for implementing digital twins. The related market to digital twins are IoT, big data and artificial intelligence. The reducing cost of digital twins due to the advancement in analytics using machine learning and artificial intelligence will fuel the growth of digital twins. If you try to understand what is actually driving the market, IoT will take the lead. Billions of connected devices through IoT will make digital twins an easy affair. Moreover, digital twin is an integral part of digital factories. Other driving factors for digital twins are reduced downtime, which is critical for efficient operations and high productivity, and also enhancing customer service, which gives a competitive edge. Decision makers look at digital twin as an opportunity to lead the competition. Moreover, it is estimated that the investments on digital twins have ROI of less than 5 years. At the same time, there are few challenges for digital twins like requirements of massive computing power, cybersecurity threats and lack of skilled professionals. Let's now look at the next steps if you are looking for investing in digital twins. First, focus on the objective and identify the use cases. Assess the business readiness to leverage digital twins and identify the key metrics that need to be assessed. The physical product has to be integrated with data collecting devices if the product already exists, or opt for a device that has built-in devices. Invest for a simulating platform as per the requirements. Live data has to be collected and transformed before being fed into the simulating program. Digital twin does not add value to end users unless it interacts with a system of intelligence. Link it to cognitive systems, which include data science algorithm and machine learning, and also to analytics to derive insights, predict future, and even to automate the process. Enterprises in general, manufacturers in particular, are rethinking their entire business model. Digital twin is the core concept that need to be in place so that the innovation can lead them to achieve more than their traditional business objective. That concludes the iARCtalk on digital twins. For more market insights, subscribe to Industry Arc channel. Thank you.